A great summer vacation. I just returned from the greatest summer vacation. It was so fantastic. I never wanted it to end. I spent 8 days in Paris, France. My best friends, Tiffany and Jessica, went with me. We had a beautiful hotel room and it wasn't expensive. We had a balcony with a wonderful view. We visited many famous tourist places. My favorite was the Louvre, a well-known museum. I was always interested in art, so that was a special treat for me. Tiffany got tired walking around the museum and said, "I need to take a break." We took lots of breaks and sat in cafes. The French food we ate was delicious. The coffee was tasty too. Jessica's favorite part of the vacation was the hotel breakfast. She said she would be happy if she could eat croissants like those forever. We had so much fun. Vacation. Vacation. Fantastic. Fantastic. Expensive. Expensive. Balcony. Balcony. Wonderful. Wonderful. View. View. Tourist places. Tourist places. Well known. Well known. Museum. Museum. Interested in. Interested in. Art. Art. Special treat. Special treat. Delicious. Tasty. Croissant. Croissant. What city did they go to for their summer vacation? They went to Paris for their summer vacation. How long was the summer vacation? Eight days. What did their hotel room have? It had a balcony with a wonderful view. Who got tired walking in the Louvre Museum? Tiffany. What did Jessica enjoy the most? She enjoyed the hotel breakfast and the croissants.